The very molecule your body has been trained to fear could be the one thing preventing your complete hormonal collapse. For decades, you've been told it's a villain, a clog in your arteries, a silent killer. But what if that story is dangerously incomplete? What if, by aggressively lowering it, you are systematically dismantling the very factory that produces your masculine energy, your strength, and your will to compete? This is the story of the great hormonal deception. To understand the truth, we must first understand the material. This is cholesterol. It is not inherently good or bad. It is a raw material, a waxy, fat-like substance found in every single cell of your body. Your brain is constructed from it. Your nerves are insulated by it. It is the essential ingredient for creating vitamin D from sunlight. But its most critical role, for our purposes, is that of a precursor, the parent molecule from which all vital steroid hormones are born. Deep inside, the male testes are specialized factories called Leydig cells. This is ground zero for testosterone production. As documented by researchers at institutions like Johns Hopkins Medicine, a complex and elegant process called steroidogenesis unfolds here. It begins when a cholesterol molecule is transported into the cell. Through a series of enzymatic reactions, it is first converted into pregnenolone, the grandmother hormone. From there, it's a cascade. Pregnenolone becomes DHEA, DHEA becomes androstenedione, and finally, the master male hormone, testosterone, is forged. Without an adequate supply of the starting material, cholesterol, this entire assembly line grinds to a halt. So, if cholesterol is essential, why is it linked to heart disease? The assassin is not the cholesterol molecule itself, but what happens to it in a toxic environment. The true villain is systemic inflammation and oxidation, primarily driven by high sugar intake, processed industrial seed oils, and chronic stress. This environment damages the LDL cholesterol particles, the so-called bad cholesterol, turning them from large, fluffy transport ships into small, dense, and sticky pellets. These are the particles that can penetrate the arterial wall and initiate the formation of plaque. The cholesterol is simply the raw material that gets damaged by the real criminals. The path to hormonal recovery begins with providing the correct raw materials and protecting them. This is not about eating indiscriminately, it's about strategic nutritional engineering. First, you must eliminate the assassins. This means the complete removal of industrial seed oils, canola, soybean, corn, sunflower, from your kitchen. These are packed with inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids that directly contribute to LDL oxidation. Replace them with stable, monounsaturated, and saturated fats. Your primary fuel source should be extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil. Second, incorporate cholesterol-rich, nutrient-dense superfoods. Your target is 3 to 4 whole eggs per day. The yolk is a powerhouse of choline for brain health and the perfect form of cholesterol ready for hormonal conversion. Add to this 1 whole avocado daily. It provides high-quality fat, potassium for blood pressure regulation, and fiber to support a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in managing inflammation. This isn't just food, it's the high-octane fuel your hormonal factory has been starved of. With the right fuel, you now need the catalyst to ignite production. This involves specific lifestyle protocols that signal your body to prioritize testosterone synthesis. First, engage in resistance training 3 to 4 times per week. Focus on large compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and overhead presses. This type of muscular demand sends a powerful endocrine signal to increase androgen receptor sensitivity and testosterone output. Second, optimize your master clock with sunlight. Within 30 minutes of waking, expose your face and chest to 15 to 20 minutes of direct morning sunlight without sunglasses. This calibrates your circadian rhythm and kickstarts the production of vitamin D, itself a steroid hormone essential for the testosterone pathway. Finally, you must master sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours in a completely dark, cool room. The majority of testosterone is produced during deep sleep phases. Using blackout curtains and eliminating blue light from screens an hour before bed is non-negotiable. These are not suggestions. They are biological requirements for operating a high-performance male endocrine system.